Hey, what is up, guys? It is your dude, your homie, your guy, Camden Garris, back with another video. And this is like my third time filming this because I've had so many interruptions, like people calling me. All right, let's just hope no one calls me during this video. But subscribe, like, and comment down below. Go watch my last video because I reacted to Justin Bieber's new song, Yummy, and music video. And yeah, but as you can tell by the title, we will be burping the Dutch alphabet. So let's do this. Subscribe, and let's get on to the video. All right. But a se a d a f k a. I've been getting better at my burping, like. All right. Ha E yeah A L M N O. Oh, I almost puked, and that was cold, because, like, my water's cold. A-O. Or A-O. But A. Q. Air. S. A. U. The A. That was weird. The A. X. E. Z. Alright, that was very confusing. And, like, I didn't know what I was, like, really saying. Because, like, this is very different. And that's cool. That'd be pretty cool to learn. But this is the end of the video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Hold on. Alright, there we go. But subscribe, like, and comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. It is your dude, your homie, your guy, Camden Garris, checking out for now. Go follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is just Camden_Garris or just Camden Garris. And then go follow my TikTok. It's Camden Garris17. And I'll see you guys in my next video. You guys are literally amazing, and I truly actually mean that. So, yeah. But I'll see you guys in my next video. It is your dude, your homie, your guy, Camden Garris, checking out for now. And I've already said that like a million times. And peace. Stay positive, guys.